The tech world is bracing for a storm of rising prices, and it's all because of a memory shortage. The cost of laptops and smartphones is set to skyrocket, leaving consumers scratching their heads and reaching deeper into their pockets. The culprit? Artificial intelligence and its relentless demand for computer components. The AI boom has led to a surge in data centers worldwide, and these centers are gobbling up memory hardware like there's no tomorrow. This has caused a critical shortage of essential parts like dynamic random access memory, DRAM, Samsung's DDR5 RAM, and SSDs. But here's where it gets controversial. The impact on prices is already being felt. Samsung has reportedly doubled the price of DDR5 memory drives, and Framework, known for its customizable laptops, has followed suit with a 50% price hike on the same components. Experts predict that these increased costs will trickle down to consumers, making devices more expensive. And it's not just Samsung. Major PC manufacturers like HP, Lenovo, and Dell are warning of price increases due to the memory shortage. The scarcity is so severe that some analysts believe laptop manufacturers will be forced to sell lower performance 8 GB RAM models to consumers in 2026. It's a lose-lose situation for customers. What's more, there's no end in sight. The AI industry shows no signs of slowing down, and the demand for data centers could continue indefinitely. So, if you're in a market for a new laptop or PC, or even just some upgrades, you might want to act fast. That coveted DDR5 RAM might become a luxury item sooner than you think. Is this a temporary blip or the new normal? Will consumers adapt to higher prices, or will the market find a way to stabilize? Share your thoughts below, and let's discuss the future of tech pricing.